What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 3 of this build. In this build, we're going to finish up the handle shaping and glue it up. Alright guys, so I don't have any actual wire to use for pins, copper wire here in the shop, and if I ordered any it was going to take too long to get here, and I'm impatient. So I have this electrical wire here. I don't know what gauge it is, but it's soft, it's malleable, it's electrical wire. It's supposed to be malleable for whenever you gotta run it and all that stuff. So I'm gonna take this wire and I'm just gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna cut it in half. Then I'm gonna cut this in half as well, roughly. So we got 2 equal pieces of wire, roughly. Oh, not that bad. I wasn't that off. All right, roughly 2 equal pieces of wire. I'm gonna make some holes in a piece of wood. So you get here, I got the wood. I got some holes in it. We're gonna be using these 2. These 2 holes are 5/64, and we're gonna put one of them in here. We're gonna try to hammer it in. Try to get in the hole. As you can see, it already started bending. So, and it's not all the way through. So I started doing research. We're gonna take this little piece. We're gonna put the little piece in the vise. Hold it nice and tight, nice and secure. Take a drill. And we're gonna spin it. We're gonna work harden it. Alrighty, that's it. And now it's stiff. It's not as flexible. Copper, the way you harden copper is by hardening it. I already knew about that, but I didn't know how to harden copper wire or rod or whatever. And so I did a whole bunch of research so that I could figure out how to use this for pins. As you can see, it's already popping out the other side. It started bending because it started hitting the bottom of the quartz. So pretty much that's how we make our pins. Now I'm not gonna buy rods anymore because I have a whole bunch of wire here, so I might as well use that. But yep, that way, I'm letting you guys know in case you didn't know, because I didn't know personally. And so in case you need to use copper wire for pins, that's how you work harden it. Super simple, super easy. And let's get back to the build. Alright guys, so the knife is out of the edge. It looks great. I put 1520 on top. I'm not sure why it turned that black, but it is what it is. It looks cool nonetheless. 1520 normally turns black for some reason. I thought it was just because the other layer was so close and it's so thin. But I mean, you have a layer of copper in between, so. But not so much in some areas. Oh well, overall it looks pretty cool. I'm very happy with it. Onto the handle. Alright guys, so the knife is essentially done, but I'm going to put it back into ferric chloride to try to pop out some more of that black now that everything's sanded down nicely. I want the black to pop out as much as possible. So I'm going to dip it back into the ferric chloride and see how beautiful it gets. And we're out of the ferric chloride. Check this guy out. It's beautiful. It's not perfect because it's the first one I make, but man, is this thing awesome. Check out those lines. I'll definitely be doing more Cu Mai down the road. Now onto sharpening. Alright guys, that's it for this build. I really enjoyed making it. I hope you enjoyed watching it as well. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe, and hopefully I'll be doing more builds like this, more intricate builds down the line in the future. And if you liked it, let me know down below in the comments and by liking the video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.